Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating easy software causes. Force close camera, then reopen and switch between front and rear to see if the feed returns. Once done, soft restart the iPhone X to clear transient glitches. This often fixes driver-level hangs. Make sure iOS is updated because camera firmware updates arrive with system updates. Also remove any case or magnetic mounts and clean the lens gently. Dirt or obstruction can present as a black screen even when the sensor is fine. If the quick fixes fail, verify whether the problem is app-specific by opening camera in other apps like FaceTime or Instagram. If they also show black, it's system level. Reset all settings to restore camera permissions and system defaults without erasing data. This resolves misconfigured settings interfering with the camera. Next, test related hardware. Does the flash work? Does portrait/depth detect faces? These checks help determine if the sensor or true depth array has a hardware fault versus a software conflict. As the final step, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore or reinstall iOS via recovery mode using Finder or iTunes. This eliminates deep firmware corruption. If the camera remains black after a clean restore, book Apple support or an authorized repair. Hardware repairs on the iPhone X camera module and true depth system require diagnostics. If you run into trouble, record the exact black screen behavior or take short videos showing tests. That visual evidence speeds technician diagnosis and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.